Hi guys! 11:80 na! Iwaw Feng Shui na! Brethren, family, and friends, po pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. So, kumusta po ang inyong Sunday? How was the Mother's Day celebration? Wow, nice po. How was the experience po? And again, back to reality. Tomorrow is a Monday and simula po tayo lahat ng ating pong mga vision, mission, everything po starts tomorrow. Ayan. So at least tomorrow we start the week right, and especially sa Monday. At least we want to make it a win-win for all of us. So now, May 13 Monday is it's classified as the Fire Ox enters a Success Officer Day. So Fire Ox in a Success Officer Day. Uy, anong meron Norman sa isang Fire Ox Day? So let's check po. Okay, it says here, suitable for all activities. Ang ganda naman. Wow, we can start it very much right. And then, i-10x natin. But which animal sign? Rotten ox is very good. Tiger is average. Rabbit not so good. Dragon average. Snake is very good. Horse and goat not so good. Monkey is average. Rooster very good. Dog average. And pig not so good. Oh, so 10x natin yung lahat ng mga plano mo tomorrow. Gawin natin to. Let's do it. Okay. Eto na. Daily Chimen, then we eventually go to the hourly Chimen. Okay, May 13. Okay. Ito po. So, for if you want to create opportunities with a game changer, talikod sa Southwest. This has 6 stars brethren, family, and friends. Okay, ito malakas to, 6 stars. And may absolute support din siya. Ganda. If I were you, I'll use this one. And then health is wealth, talikod sa West. Anything to do with finances and with the wisdom that comes with it, talikod sa Northwest. For heart-to-heart talk, negotiations, make peace, human relationship. Oh, wow. If you want to improve it, talikod sa North. And you want a 10x being handsome and beautiful, and you want a noble people in higher status to help you, 5 stars to, talikod naman sa East. Okay. Now, eto tayo ulit. Siyempre, lagi tayo magpa-practice po, until mag-seek in, until we come up with our own manifestation wherein 5 points po, we let go, we open up, we give thanks, we ask for what we want, and we give it back to society, we help other people. So, yun po yung 5 points. So, okay, let's go back. Tingnan natin, 6 stars to back to Southwest. Now, until 10:59, the whole day. Gawin natin, But don't forget to count from 64 to 1. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, ito po tayo, Okay. So, says here, Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize new ideas and views by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines and livelihood for all. Wow, ganda. Ganda po nun. Ganda. Or pwede po natin ding sabihin, whatever your fate is, universe, hinahayaan ko ang lahat na hindi na nakikinabang sa aking paglalakbay at binuksan ang aking sarili na maging taong kailangan para matupad ang aking mga mithiin. Lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa mga pagpapala at laging sabik na umunlad, matuto, at gawin ang anumang kinakailangan upang makamit ang aking mga pangarap ng madali at walang kahirap-hirap. mga bagong idea at pananaw. Ayan, okay. Tingnan natin. Ito po. Isa-isahin natin po para po mag-gets natin. So, in Tagalog, silipin po natin po yung later part. Okay. Ayan. Sabi dito, ito. Marangal na mga kaalyado, walang hanggang mapalad, bukas palad na tumutulong sa lahat, gumagawa ng matatag na linya ng buhay at kabuhayan para sa lahat. BFF, ayan. Ganda. Alright. So, mga nais po naman ng, so yun po whole day, game changer with the opportunities po. And also branding, having your name, okay. And for inspiration, you can also use that, this box, talikod sa Southwest. Now, tingnan natin on a May 13. Okay, sa May 13, tingnan natin po. How about yung pong one of the three precious, Green Dragon, Jade Maiden, and Flying Bird fall into cave. Ito po. Green Dragon returns with the game changer as early as 3 a.m. to 4:59 a.m. Again, talikod sa Southwest. Another Green Dragon with the game changer again, talikod sa Southwest, and it's 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Jade Maiden watching the door, talikod sa Southeast. This is from 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. And sa mga lovers ng Flying Bird fall into cave, backing sa West, and that's from 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. There you have it, BFF. Wow! So BFF, but don't forget, it's not just enough for you to be happy, because you need to let go. You need to open up for new things to fill up your life or to be present in your life. You need to be thankful with a grateful heart. You need to be specific of what you want to magnetize and what you really want. Yung gustong-gusto mo. And 5, you have to give it back and help po those people in need. So you being a blessing to others. Okay, BFF, again, tomorrow is actually as early as now, the early rat, it's already a Monday, suitable for all. So maximize natin ang Monday. Do whatever you wanna do for a Monday. Talikod sa Southwest to prime everything. Whole day naman yan. And you can follow the formula, the pattern that I've given you po in manifestation. Tagalog, English, whatever it is. Then the universe, you change it to your faith. How do you address your God? The one in charge upstairs. All up to you. So BFF, again, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Again, let us pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless. Good night and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.